These words can open your mind, there's no holding me back. I come at them twice as hard for every moment they slack. Ain't close from the pen, but the poet is trapped with bated breath. I catch them, no more thumb in the back. Then I scream these words through the loudest mic. To the victor, the spoils, you cowards fight. When you're accepted, it's like you get some disease. The media won't give you a second to breathe. Especially when you're hot, they can't let you just be. They harp on you, they don't expect you to bleed. They expect you to be the best you can be. When the spotlight's on, you best to believe. Cause when it's off, they expect you to leave. Take your last bow, collect your check and be free. The final lesson, it's a blessing to me. Any questions, take a step into this mess and you'll see.
See, I don't get fooled by the media hype, cause I don't really care what the media likes. And I don't really care what the media said. It ain't the kind of stuff I'm gonna keep in my head. See, I don't get fooled by the media hype, cause I don't really care what the media likes. And I don't really care what the media says. It ain't the kind of stuff I'm gonna keep in my head. Well, you can keep giving praises for what you leave in your pages, so when these people do read it, they could see why we're amazing. Long as the image that's portrayed reflects a positive statement. But I know what I'm explaining is just a false expectation, cause I know that your goal is to manipulate a simulated form of control over what people like, or what you think we should like. And in return, all that determines what you think you should write. And like a fire you've ignited, you get people so excited. But if we begin to like it, show a scandal, we despise it. Like a candle when you light it, no regard to how it's juicy, cause it's juicy if it's private, as long as the conclusion has to do with sex or violence. And I don't choose to fight this cause my fans know that the truth are captured in my lyrics rather than somebody's scoop. My group finds this amusing, don't assume we're aggravated, and so we'll simply laugh at every lie you fabricated. See, I don't get fooled by the media hype, cause I don't really care what the media likes. And I don't really care what the media said. It ain't the kind of stuff I'm gonna keep in my head. See, I don't get fooled by the media hype, cause I don't really care what the media likes. And I don't really care what the media says. It ain't the kind of stuff I'm gonna keep in my head.
Let me dabble for a second, now listen. My position in this music, better yet, my mission is to get you to lose it and let loose like them laces on shoes. But they be hating us, dude. Got me pacing like, ooh, another whack track on the radio for real. Like a wheel of repetition, to hell with a record deal. Not trying to get controlled and own. Sell my soul to get my album sold. Man, I'm smarter than that. I'll go harder, y'all laugh, cause I'm not from the streets. I carry heat on my side or fly right by when the cops stop by. Nah, that's not me, way off. Y'all cats, man, weak, stay off. Stay clear of this here. We bring it every year, yeah, right and tight. While I light the mic, you wanna fight, yo, pipe down. To hell with the media hype now. Rhyme so tight, I make